morning. I know it's a bit breezy. We are in Uncle Dick Davis's campground. It's a county park. I put the drone up so you could see. Oh my gosh, there's only 17 sites. It's $15 for non-seniors, $10 for seniors. We're using our Starlink. We moved from Florida free campground to this here campground. Now, I cannot pronounce the name of this river. However, I will put it in text so you can see. But we're about 300 miles from where we were, so Starlink is working great. Fantastic. Fantastic. We are on this beautiful river where you can moor up your boats right there. It's beautiful. Each one of these sites has a fire pit. You have 30 amp and 15 amp service now, but they are preparing to put 50 amp in here. That is awesome. So awesome. And it's manicured, got these big giant trees. Oh my gosh. And it's so quiet. So quiet. So see, you can see the 50 amp service is coming in right there. Let's see. You come in right there. Okay, and then back your rigs in. And you pull out right down here. A little bit of traffic, but not much, because the bridge connecting you to Baton Rouge is out. So there's no bridge over there. This is the bathhouse, or the restroom. I don't think they have a shower in here. However, it's a unisex. Don't get all alarmed. It does have a lock on the door. Let's go check it out. See if anybody's in there. Here we go. I mean, it's nice and clean. It smells great. The first stall is the urinal. And then you have a regular toilet and a handicap. That's all you need, right? Most people that come here are self-contained. This is the old bridge that was down there that rolled over, is what the county worker guy told us. Snap is his name. I love it. Love it, love it. And for a county park in Louisiana, south of Baton Rouge, it's actually between Lafayette and Baton Rouge. I mean, wow. I love it. They do have a few rules, and I will put those in the video so you can see. And the area is protected by video. However, we have no idea where these cameras are, but that's okay with us because we love having surveillance where we go. Lots of open sites. A few people left this morning. It was full when we got here yesterday. So this is where you pull out, and they have a little playground with the picnic area here and a grill. Very nice.